Hi, this is Lucas with Landmark Roofing, and this is another Landmark Customer Spotlight. I'm here today with Dr. Gersh and Dr. Lebedeff from Severna Park, and I'd like to ask you a few questions if that's okay.
Sure. Absolutely.
So why did you pick Landmark for your roof placement?
Well, Landmark's a local Severna Park company, local to Anne Arundel County, and we love shopping local, number one. Also, Landmark's given back so much to the community, and we wanted to go with someone who gives back.
So what made Landmark different from other companies?
We've used other companies in the past on roofing jobs, and we really just didn't have quite the quality that we had hoped for. And after researching and learned about Landmark, the quality of the company is just outstanding.
Great. What was your overall experience like?
So the overall experience was spectacular. Soup to nuts, head to toe, no pun intended, we're both podiatrists. You guys came in, you had control over the job site, it was cleaned every day, it was meticulous, it was immaculate, and something that was very special to me was you had asked us to take down artwork and paintings, but I physically couldn't do something, and you and Artie got in there and took the painting down. And then when it was time for to rehang it, you guys helped rehang it, which was, I know, a nightmare, but it was spectacular. I recommend them without reservation. They were wonderful. I'm glad to be a part of the community, and I'm glad you're a part of the community, and I hope everybody who sees this chooses Landmark because they go the extra mile. It's the little things that make it very, very special, and thanks for all your help. It was awesome.
Well, we thank you. We appreciate the business.
We'll recommend you to everyone that needs a roof done.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Again, this is Lucas with Landmark Roofing with another satisfied customer and a Landmark Customer Spotlight.
Great.
Landmark Roofing is Anne Arundel County's preferred exterior remodeling company. Call today for a free estimate.